good morning, Group 52. If you feel like this season of your life is requiring you to sacrifice too much, you're going to want to listen to this. In Matthew chapter 14, Jesus feeds the multitude. The disciples come to him and say, "It's getting late, Jesus. Send these people home so they can still get food." And he says, "No, we'll feed them. What food do we have here?" They present to him 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread. Jesus blesses the food, begins to share it out, and eventually feeds 5,000 families. Now, the interesting thing here is that Jesus did not turn the grass into food for the 5,000. Jesus didn't command fish and bread to come out of thin air. He started with 2 real fish and with 5 real loaves of bread. This is because whatever God asks of you, whatever sacrifice he requires, it becomes the building blocks for what he blesses you with. You see, the same way God asked Abraham for his only son and multiplied that and made Abraham the father of many nations. Whatever God requires of you, whatever sacrifice he's asking you for, it becomes what he will multiply into your blessing. It's so important that we continue to endure, that we continue to persevere. You may be in a season where you say, "God, do I have to be this patient? God, I've been attacked by everyone around me. Do I still have to stay quiet? In this season, do you really require me to give this much of my money?" Whatever it is that you feel like you are sacrificing, I promise you, you cannot outgive God in whatever your sacrifice is. He will multiply it because your trials become the recipes for your miracles. So thank you, Group 52. Persevere with a pure heart and have the best week of your life.